Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80070643 on your system and wish to resolve it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Select the drive and click on OK, and then ignore the part here. Straight away click on cleanup system files and then click on OK. And when you start clicking on OK, one of the part is where it says Windows Update Cleanup. So this will delete the contents of the software distribution in the cat2 folders. After this, you can also check all of these boxes. Okay, each and every one of them, so that we can delete temporary files, and then click on OK and then click on delete files. Okay, and this will start deleting the files. It will need a while. It's a longer process, and once this is done, you can use your Windows Update process. If not, then right click on the Start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. But after it has completed, it will need up to 20 to 25 minutes. After this is completed, restart your computer. Then open any browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog and hit enter, and then go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. Now search for the latest month and year in the MMYYYY format. For example, it's June 2024. So I'll search for 06/2024 and hit enter. And now we can find the latest cumulative updates if there is one. And by chance you don't find a cumulative update, search for the previous month, like 05/2024. But since we have it, we'll click on download corresponding to the latest update, and then we will click on this MSU file here, and then we will as soon as it downloads, we will click on this. After it downloads, we will have to click on this file here. This will install the latest update on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.